I've noticed that my Ways to Kill Spiffy Pictures videos are getting really popular on YouTube, with the first one having over 60,000 views. I decided that one of the next logical steps would be to show how I made one of the videos. I hope you enjoy and learn. Some requirements include a camera, a computer or device I can upload to YouTube, a YouTube account, different colored crayons, multiple random objects to hit Spiffy with, an internet connection, and a piece of paper. Find a picture of Spiffy Pictures or the logo you want to kill. If you have a printer, then you can find a picture of Spiffy online and then print it. If you don't have a printer, you can draw a picture of Spiffy with a pencil or one of your crayons. If you're doing a different logo, I suggest going to the Closing Logos wiki. The link's in the description, and typing the name of the logo you want to kill. They have lots of logos on there, so more often than not, you'll find what you're looking for. Get your camera ready. I used an Apple device for my previous Spiffy videos, more specifically an iPad and an iPhone, but you can use what you have and or want. Let's start making the video. Hold the camera with your non-dominant hand and the crayons with your dominant one. Press the record button on your camera. You do not have to develop a script before filming. I didn't develop a script for mine, but it's your video, so you can do what you want. Start narrating. You can draw on Spiffy or punch it or something like that while screaming words such as DIE, or you can grunt instead. You can put the camera down while retrieving your objects, and if you have editing software, you can edit the dull spots out, for lack of better words. Now it's time to post your creation. Go to your device that can upload to YouTube and upload. Since there are so many devices out there, I can't give you a tutorial on how to upload for each device. I'm afraid you'll have to search that online. After waiting a month, or maybe a couple of weeks or less, look at the feedback. Do not let the haters get to you. Instead, look at the fans and see their suggestions. If there are more haters than fans, then maybe it is time to try something else. So that's how I make my Ways to Kill Spiffy Pictures videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you the best of luck.